An experienced hot tub dealer can connect you with the help you need to ensure smooth and easy spa installation. They'll be there for consultation, to help you design a custom backyard solution, or to point you to a dependable local contractor. These professionals will make each step of the hot tub purchase, installation, and maintenance a breeze. Free site visits and consultations are generally available to take the worry and guesswork out of the process. Your dealer will help you plan for location and space requirements. They'll measure clearance for delivery, find the ideal place to locate the spa, and offer alternatives for difficult installations such as using a crane. Then they do surface-based requirements. Your dealer will be able to help you connect with a contractor who can create a concrete slab or a deck to place your spa on. Then finally, electrical supply. It's best to hire a professional to handle electrical requirements. Your local Caldera Spas dealer will be able to find a qualified electrician to handle your wiring and connection issues. Your dealer will also be able to inform you about delivery options, how long delivery will take, and whether you'll need to obtain a planning permit. Once your spa is delivered and properly installed, it should be ready to use as soon as the water heats up. We have a complete learning center online, including many more videos. And your local Caldera dealer is ready to answer questions specific to your yard, your power needs, and your placement. Be sure to give them a call or stop in for a visit.